Welcome to a sweet mystery. Bernie Hammerstein, the Chocolate King, owns a candy factory. He ships yummy chocolate to stores all over town in boxes. So this symbol right here stands for a candy box. He has a balance scale to weigh boxes of chocolate. Now I want you to take a look at this balance scale. It looks different than the ruler balance we were using. You'll notice that it has that ruler balance right here, but it has trays right here. And I'll show you one of these in class. But what that does is it allows you to put things anywhere on here or anywhere on here, and they weigh the same. So even if you put a weight over here on the left-hand side, it would weigh the same as on the right-hand side. So where you put it in the tray doesn't matter on this kind of scale. Oops. So he's going to weigh his chocolates. Interestingly, he has only 4 masses defying the weight of the chocolate boxes. So when he does the weighing, he only has these 4 weights. One that weighs 1 kilogram, one that weighs 3 kilograms, 9, and 27. He makes the claim that he can find the mass of any whole kilogram box of chocolate between 1 kilogram and 40 kilograms. So using only those 4 different weights, he can find the mass of any whole kilogram box of chocolate. He demonstrates this with the 3 different examples on the next slide. So here is a 4 kilogram box of chocolates. So he has those 4 weights, and he uses the 1 and the 3 on this side to balance with the 4 on this side, so he knows that this chocolate box weighs 4. Now he has to get a little bit more tricky on this one. He doesn't have anything between the 3 and the 9, and he has to weigh 5. So he puts his 9 on this side, and then to get it to balance, he puts the 1 and the 3 along with this box, and the total of this is 9. So these balance. When he tries to do 7, he's got to use just the weights he has, so he puts the 9 over here, and then to get it to balance out, he put a 1 here with the 9 to make 10, and the 3 here with the 7 to make 10. So you can only use those 4 weights. So your job is to show how the rest of the chocolate box masses can be weighed using only the 4 weights. You can only use a 1, 3, 9, and 27 gram weight, and you can only use 1 of each weight. So you can't use 2 that weigh 1 kilogram. You only have these 4 weights. So if you look at the problems, it starts with a 1 kilogram box, and you're going to show how you can measure boxes all the way up to 40 kilograms. Now, you don't have to do all of the problems, although I found it quite fun to do them myself, and I think I found some pretty cool patterns. I would like you to solve at least half of them, so solve at least 20. And if you solve more, it's worth extra credit. So remember, you can only use these weights, and you can only use 1 of each. Now you don't have to use all 4 though, but you can't use more than this. Okay, I wish you luck.